Hi everyone! Right now I'm going to be opening up this Pokemon special pack of Galarian Rapidash. And my favorite Pokemon is Ponyta, and so I really like the Galarian Rapidash. So let's open it. It's really beautiful. So here it comes. Ooh, so nice, right? Look at that. Look at that special card, so beautiful. And here's the little mini version. Time to open up these packs.
Or you want
Vincent wants to open one. Which one do you want to open?
Okay.
How long do you want to open one?
Okay.
Which one?
You just open two, okay?
I'll open this one.
You
and
open two. You open
I
two.
want to pick one.
Just pick one.
That one? Okay, so I'll open these two. So here comes Vincent first.
Ew, I got an ugly, trashy green one.
So green means you're going to be getting like the basic card, nothing rare or anything?
No, it just means that you're not going to get any like holographic ones. That's it. Not a holographic rare, that's it. And that's the rare card of the pack.
Don't wrinkle it up or anything. Yeah, okay. What is that? Okay, alright. Wow. Okay, so my turn to open up that here. I'll open up this one. Yes, I'm gonna open up this pack right here. Okay, so we just take this one away, and then so that's it. We got here. Oops, I did it wrong, huh? Oh, I think I did it wrong. Did I do it wrong? Okay. Wait, I'm not sure if that's getting that. Mustard trainer. Energy card. So, I guess out of this pack, the rare one is probably the holographic one. What do you guys think?
No, the rare one's the last card every single time.
So, which one do you think is the best one so far?
The rare card is always the last one. This is the last one.
That was the first. Oh, I put the rare one first. I opened it wrong, and you said I opened the right. Thanks for embarrassing me.
You got an ugly one.
Okay. Okay, let's see. Did you get there? That's a cute one. Oh, I see a copy. Wow. So what was that rare one? What is this thing? Scented Scorch? Is there any Pokemon here that you guys have never heard of before? Or you know all of these Pokemon? I have never heard of, I'll tell you all the ones that I never heard of this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. Heard of that. Heard of this. Never heard of that. I've never heard of this one. I've never heard of this one. So, of course I watched Pokemon when I was little, but there's so many new Pokemon, so I only know these two, and I've never heard of these ones. So thanks a lot for watching, everybody. Now I'm gonna go put these away and start my very first Pokemon binder of trading cards. My kids are way ahead of me and I'm just starting. Bye, and please subscribe.